here. Yes. Okay, so you're gonna go to products, go down to printing products, and then we have a whole section of EDDM. Click that. And then you can pick your size that you want right here. And we'll just, for the fun of it, we'll pick that. Then you can pick the amount that you need. Then there are different levels of prep. Like if you want us to do start to finish, you would just, like there's no prep work, we're just gonna print it, box it. Band it in 100s, we'll print it, band it 100s, ship it to you. You can do the rest. Band in 100s with facing slips, and then we'll ship it to you, and then you would deliver it to the post office when you want to, or we can do absolutely everything for you.
We want you guys to do everything.
So you would use that last one, and then here's where you would put the job name, and then all we need to do, oh wait, it's gonna tell you the type. So do you want just residents, or do you want residents and businesses usually? Like both? Or just
It probably
residents?
depends, but probably residents for what we're doing right now.
Okay, so then you would just click that, and that would tell us, okay, we're only gonna grab the residents. And then all you would have to do is give us the zip code and the carrier routes that you want us to target. So you're gonna do some city down in,
So go to, if you don't mind showing her on the EDDM screen over there on the right, all the way to the right.
oh,
Yeah, so she has to then pick a carrier route and then put that carrier route into over here.
yes, you wanna pick you have to pick the zip code first. Do you know the zip code that you're gonna be targeting?
Is there one down in Florida that you know, or
off the top of my head.
44126?
Okay, so put your zip code in there, hit search, it will come up. And then you get this little map of the whole area, and then you can pick, this is what we would do, but just so that you could see what you're doing. Okay, so we're gonna do residents only. And then you can pick what, like if you know the streets, and there's certain areas, we can do the whole zip code, we can do everything here, or we can do, okay, I just wanna target a few sections.
So when she's rolling her cursor over and it's highlighting in darker pink, that's the carrier route. So
And
all the
it
pink
will
is
tell you.
44126, but then when she's rolling it over with the cursor, that's the actual carrier route.
So you can see how it changes.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll get these guys. So when you click on it, it's gonna turn blue, and then those are gonna be the ones that you want me to mail to. Okay, so we'll say we're gonna grab those 4, and then when you go to the table, it will show you, and then you can just write those in there. Copy and paste, or, write them, put them, if we go back to this screen, just put them right in here.
Does it have to have a comma between them, or?
I don't think so, if you're gonna copy and paste them. Because then we'll just copy and paste them right out of there. So I don't think so. So we go copy, paste. You'll have to leave at least a space. Go ahead and put a comma just to be sure. And then we'll grab this guy, bring it over. So just put those in there, and then we'll do everything. We'll let you know how much the postage is, because then you'll have to pay for the postage. And then shipping. Usually, because it will calculate shipping, but it doesn't know, because EDDMs are bundled, it's gonna be different how many you can get in a box. So just keep in mind, shipping is usually a little bit more than what it estimates.
Okay.
Because it's not a straight, take them off, get as many in a box as you can. You have to do it a little bit differently because the bundles are different sizes and stuff.
Okay. And then based on like the quantity that you're ordering and the carrier routes, like how do we know if I'm like over the route, if like houses wise and the quantity for the flyers, like how am I knowing how many like
Because
houses I'm hitting?
You want to go on the EDDM tool first, and all that is USPS.com.
Okay, and that says like there's so many houses in this route.
Yep.
Okay.
And so that will give you, okay, so we know you wanted to target these 4, which I completely made up, but it tells you how many mailers you need.
Okay.
So you want to get as close to that as you can, but we only print certain quantities. So you would probably have to order 2,000.
Okay.
So you might, it's like, oh, well, let me see if I can order another route. I might as well do another route because I'm going to have so many overs. But if that's the only 4 routes you have, then you can have the overs and use them, however you
Okay.
want. Okay?
Can we put our own, can we give you our own list of addresses to mail them out to?
Yeah.
Or?
That's a different type of mailing.
Okay.
So absolutely we do that. That's just not an EDDM. EDDM, you hit every house in the carrier route. That's it.
And we want to do a direct mail. It's 58 cents for a stamp now.
But we can get you
Bulk stamping.
pre-sort postage. Yes.